Google may have just killed the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. In this video, we dive into the world of smart glasses to see how Google's latest moves might be shaking up the competition, particularly for the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. We're comparing 5 incredible AR glasses that are pushing the boundaries of wearable tech. From immersive displays to sleek designs, these devices are redefining how we interact with the digital world. Check out our top picks below and let us know in the comments which one you think steals the show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech breakdowns. Number 5. Rokid Max 2. The Rokid Max 2 is a standout in the AR glasses market, offering a private cinema experience with a 215-inch virtual screen at 1080p resolution, upgradable to 1200p on supported devices. Its 50-degree field of view and 120 Hz refresh rate deliver smooth, vibrant visuals, perfect for movies and gaming on the go. Weighing just 75, these glasses are designed for comfort, with adjustable nose pads and a sleek dark gray frame that's less conspicuous than its predecessor. The built-in myopia adjustment, 0.00D to 6.0D, is a game-changer for prescription glasses users, eliminating the need for extra lens inserts. With 600 nits of brightness, the micro OLED display ensures clarity in most lighting conditions, though it's not the brightest compared to competitors. The included blackout shield enhances immersion by blocking ambient light, ideal for travel or home use. Audio is delivered via directional speakers, offering clear sound but lacking deep bass pairing, with Bluetooth headphones is recommended for the best experience. Connectivity is hassle-free via USB-C, compatible with most Android phones, PCs, and consoles with adapters like the Rokid Hub. The Rokid Station 2, an optional Android TV accessory, adds standalone streaming capabilities. While the software ecosystem is still developing, the Max 2 excels for entertainment, making it a strong contender in the AR space. Number 4. Reineo Air2. The Reineo Air2 brings affordability and performance to the AR glasses arena, priced around $225 to $269, making it a budget-friendly alternative to premium models. Its micro OLED display projects a 1080p virtual screen with a 46-degree field of view, slightly smaller than some rivals but still immersive for gaming and streaming. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 600 nits of brightness, visuals are smooth and clear, though bright outdoor settings may require the included blackout cover. At 76G, the Air 2 is lightweight and comfortable for extended wear, featuring adjustable nose pads and a sleek design that resembles traditional sunglasses. However, it lacks built-in myopia adjustment, requiring prescription lens inserts for nearsighted users, which adds to the cost. The stereo speakers provide decent audio for quiet environments, but sound leakage can be an issue at higher volumes, so headphones are ideal for public use. Connectivity is via USB-C, supporting a wide range of devices, including PCs and consoles with an HDMI adapter, though Nintendo Switch setups may need extra accessories. The Reineo app offers basic mirroring but lacks advanced features like multi-window support. Despite these limitations, the Air 2's vibrant colors and competitive price make it a fantastic entry point for AR enthusiasts looking for value without sacrificing core performance. It's a solid pick for those prioritizing affordability and portability. Number 3. Rokid AR Lite. The Rokid AR Lite is a fresh addition to the AR glasses lineup, designed for users seeking a balance of innovation and practicality. While specific details are limited, it builds on Rokid's reputation for quality displays, likely featuring a micro OLED panel with 1080p resolution and a 50-degree field of view, similar to the Max 2. Its refresh rate is expected to hit 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals for gaming and video playback. Weighing around 75 grams, the AR Lite maintains a lightweight, comfortable design with adjustable nose pads and a modern aesthetic. It likely includes myopia adjustment dials, 0.0D to 6.0D, a hallmark of Rokid's user-friendly approach for prescription wearers. The glasses are expected to offer 600 nits of brightness, adequate for indoor use but less ideal for bright outdoor settings without a blackout shield. Audio comes from built-in directional speakers, delivering clear sound but with minimal bass, suggesting Bluetooth headphones for immersive experiences. Connectivity is via USB-C, compatible with Android devices, PCs, and consoles with adapters like the Rokid Hub. The Rokid AR Lite may integrate with the Rokid station for standalone streaming, enhancing its versatility. While its software ecosystem may not yet rival competitors, the AR Lite's focus on portability and display quality makes it a promising choice for travelers and AR newcomers looking for a reliable, entertainment-focused device. Stay tuned for more details as this model rolls out. Number 2. Viture Luma Pro. The Viture Luma Pro takes AR glasses to the next level with its premium features and sleek design, priced at $499. Its micro OLED display delivers a 1080p virtual screen with a 46-degree field of view, slightly narrower than some competitors, but compensated by an impressive 1000 nits of brightness, making it one of the brightest in its class. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures fluid visuals, ideal for gaming and fast-paced content. Weighing 78 Gr, the Luma Pro is comfortable for long sessions, with adjustable nose pads and a stylish frame. It includes built-in myopia adjustment, 0.0D to 6.0D, catering to prescription users without extra costs. A standout feature is the electrochromic dimming lenses, allowing users to toggle between transparent and opaque modes for enhanced immersion without a separate cover. Audio is delivered via stereo speakers, offering clear sound but limited bass, so headphones are recommended for public or noisy environments. USB-C connectivity supports a wide range of devices, and the Viture app enables advanced features like multi-window support and 3D content playback. The Luma Pro's vibrant colors and high contrast make it perfect for movies, gaming, and productivity. While pricier than some, its brightness and dimming tech make it a top contender for users seeking versatility and premium performance in AR glasses. Number 1. XREAL One. Topping our list is the XREAL One, a powerhouse in the AR glasses market priced at $640, setting the standard for immersive experiences. Its micro OLED display projects a 1080p virtual screen, up to 1200p on supported devices, with a class-leading 57-degree field of view, creating a massive 308-inch virtual screen at 10 meters. The 120 Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness deliver smooth, vivid visuals, though it's slightly dimmer than some rivals. At 83G, it's slightly heavier but remains comfortable with adjustable nose pads and a premium design. Unlike others, it lacks built-in myopia adjustment, requiring prescription lens inserts for nearsighted users. The XREAL One shines with its advanced optics, minimizing reflections for a clearer image. Bose-tuned stereo speakers provide superior audio quality with better bass than most competitors, though headphones enhance the experience in noisy settings. USB-C connectivity ensures compatibility with Android phones, PCs, and consoles, with the Nebula app offering robust features like multi-window anchoring and 3D content support. The XREAL One software ecosystem is more mature, making it ideal for both entertainment and productivity. Despite its higher price, the wider field of view and refined optics make it a top choice for AR enthusiasts seeking the ultimate portable display.